to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the LCD and Digitizer screen on the iPhone 7 Plus. First thing first, let's power down the iPhone. Remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the iPhone. Use a heat gun or a heat pad to soften the adhesive around the iPhone. Use a suction cup at the very bottom of the iPhone above the home button. You can take a smudger or a pick tool to cut through the adhesive, go around the whole iPhone. Then open the phone up like a book. Unscrew the 4 screws holding the plate down on the battery connector and the display connectors. Next, take a smudger tool and slowly disconnect the battery connector and the display connectors. Then we're going to remove to the top plate that holds down the connector to the speaker, proximity sensor, and front-facing camera. Disconnect the connector with the smudger tool. Okay, now I'm just going to remove the leftover adhesive that's on the iPhone with the smudger tool slowly and carefully. Please do not puncture the battery. It could explode in your face. I forgot to take the home button out the old LCD screen. So next I'm going to take the plate off the home button. Next, you want to carefully take 2 smudger tools and disconnect the home button connector. Then you want to take a smudger tool and slowly go up under the home button connector till it peels up, and then it just drops out of the LCD screen. Then you want to place the home button in the new screen. Make sure you have it lined up correctly. Connect the connector back. Place the back plate back. Put in the screws. Now we're ready to put the screen back onto the motherboard. I want to put the connectors back first. Before we close the phone back up and put the plates on, we want to test the iPhone to make sure the screen is working and functioning properly. So I'm going to power on the iPhone, make sure everything looks good. Touch the screen, power it back off. I'm going to put the top plate back in first, put the screws back in. Take your time, make sure you're careful, do it slowly so you don't puncture the battery. Next, we're going to put the bottom plate back in. That's over the battery connector and the display connectors. Next, we'll close the iPhone. Put the 2 pentalobe screws back in the bottom of the iPhone. Power the iPhone back on. And there we have it. iPhone 7 Plus screen repair, guys.